Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to Cobol. Okay, so in our previous session, we discussed like how we can display the normal text with the help of display command in Cobol, right? But in this session, we are going to discuss about the data types. Just assume a scenario where you want to print the values that is stored in data type, or you can say you want to create or declare some data variables that hold some value. So before discussing that thing, like how we store the values or how we print the variables, before that we should know about the basic things about the data types in COBOL. So this session is a theoretical session where we will clear each and every concept related to data type theoretically, because it is needed to understand the terminology that we are going to use for the data types part. Okay, so just to explain those things in a easier way, I have noted down few things on my scratch pad. So let me show you that. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so this is the information that we use or that we should know before understanding the data types. Okay, so usually okay, let me start from the top line, and don't get confused by reading these all stuff, because these are very easy things. We will understand all these things by the time when we go with the easy example in the upcoming session. So just look at the first line. First line is showing the parts. Okay, yeah, here it is written, data division is used to define the variable used in a program. So that we know, right? In the introduction session, we know that yes, we saw the four division, right? So data division is used to define the variables used in a program. To describe the data in COBOL, one must understand the following terms. So now these are the terms. Now look at the first term. These are the four. I would say this is a four part of variable. Okay. The first part is level number. First part is level number. Now what is level number? That we will learn below the line. Okay. So first thing is level number. Then second part is data name. Third part is picture clause. And fourth part, which is optional part, for value clause. Clear? Just keep a note of all these things, because these are the interview questions. What is level number? What is data name? What is picture clause? Value clause? So you should know about these things. Now look at the first thing, which is level number. What is level number? Level number is used to specify the level of data in a record. Okay, so when you want to showcase the level of a record, then in that case we will define the level number. They are used to differentiate between elementary item and group item. Maybe you are not about these two terms, what is elementary item or group item. That's why I have also explained these terminology below the line. Now you can see elementary items can be grouped together to create group item. Okay, so when multiple elementary item combines and form another item, that is known as group item. Clear? Now to understand these things, just follow this table. Okay, in this table, first thing is level number. What is level number? For level number 1, it is denoting a record description entry. Level number 1 denotes the record description entry. Then we have level number from 0 to 49. What it denotes? It denotes group and elementary items. From level number 2 to 49, it denotes group and elementary items. Then we have 66, which is for rename clause items. 77, which is for items which cannot be subdivided. And then we have 88, condition name entry. Clear? So these are the all level numbers with respective to their description. Okay, maybe you are not aware of these things now, so it's not an issue. We will cover each and everything in the examples, so don't take a stress. We will just exploring the theoretical things. Okay, later we will cover up all these things which is needful for our COBOL programming. Okay, fine. So now we will see what are the elementary items and what is the group items. So elementary items cannot be divided further. if in an interview, if someone asks you differentiate between elementary item and group item, then you can simply say that elementary item is an item that cannot be divided further. It is composed of four things, which is level number, data name, picture clause, and value clause. And here, value clause is optional. Now, those who know the RPG language, let me tell you, you can compare this value clause with inz keyword. In inz keyword, we put the values, right, for initialization purpose. So similarly, value clause is also used only when we want to initialize something to a variable. So how many parts we have? For elementary item, we have four part: level number, data name, picture clause, and value clause. Okay, where value clause is optional, are used to describe, you can see these parts are used to describe the elementary item. Then we have group item. Group items consist of one or more elementary items. For example, level number, data name, value clause. Again, value clause is optional here in group item also, are used to describe a group item. Okay, one more important thing, a group item, like group level number is always 0 1, always. Okay, so group item is always 0 1, group item number is always 0 1. Okay, so these are the differences between elementary item and group item. And please make a note of this thing, because this is a important question from interview perspective. Okay, then we have picture clause. What is picture clause? You can say it is a main area where we define, we decide the data type, length, and type. Okay, so if you read the definition here, data type can be numeric, alphabetic, or alphanumeric. Numeric type consists of only digits from 0 to 9, which is correct. Then alphabetic type consists of letters from A to Z, A to Z capital or A to Z small, and spaces. Then we have alphanumeric type that consists digits, letters, as well as special character. Okay, so these are the values that we can define. Then we have sign. Sign can be used with numeric data, and it can be either plus or negative or minus. Okay, so there are two possible values for sign, which is plus or minus. Then we have decimal point position. Decimal point position can be used with numeric data. Assumed position is the position of decimal point and not included in the data. Clear? Then we have length. Length defines the number of bytes used by the data type or a data item. Clear? Now how we will identify the data type? If we are using the symbol 9, you can focus on this table. If we are talking about the symbol 9, then it is numeric. If we are talking about capital A, it is alphabetic. If we are talking about X, it is alphanumeric. If we are talking about V, it is an implicit decimal. If we are talking about S, then it is a sign value. And if we are talking about P, it is a assumed decimal. Okay, assumed decimal. Fine. So these are the all things related to the picture clause. Okay. Then we have value clause, which is an optional clause in both case, in elementary item as well as in group item. Okay, look at the value clause. Value clause is an optional clause which is used to initiate the data items. Okay, sorry, which is used to initialize the data item. As I told you that if you know about the RBGL, there we use inz keyword, right? So in a same manner, value clause is used to initialize the value of the data item. The values can be numeric literal, alphanumeric literal, figurative constant. Okay, so these are the possible values for the value clause. It can be used with both types, both group and elementary items. Clear? So these are the just theoretical description for data types in Cobol. Don't get stressed, like these are the simple thing. We will just keep a note of everything that we discussed today, and then one by one we will declare simple program. We will create simple program with each data type and understand the concept. Okay, so We will go step by step from basic to advanced. Don't worry, we will learn everything in a simpler manner. So this session is just for your introduction purpose. Clear? So I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.